Tonight we have a Wein&Käseabend, extremely popular in Germany. A slow, cozy evening with wine, soft lights, and plates full of different cheeses. A little bit of fruit, some nuts, maybe something sweet. You sit back, sip your wine, and start playing with flavors. You take a bite, then a sip, and suddenly everything tastes a little different. That's the whole idea. Just enjoying the moment and discovering what you like. But tonight, this is not just a dinner. This is a journey back in time to Roman Empire. How der Wein&Käseabend looked thousands of years ago. Look at this, Roman soldiers sitting near the fire, eating, drinking, enjoying the tastes. And in the center of the table, der Käse. Why der Käse? The German word der Käse, cheese, is masculine, making it one of those tricky exceptions for learners. Here is why. It comes from the Latin word caseus, which was masculine. When it was borrowed into Old High German, it kept its original gender. The rule exception. In German, about 90% of nouns ending in are feminine, like die Lampe. However, Käse belongs to a small group of masculine exceptions, alongside words like der Name, name, der junge boy, and der Affe, monkey. But I don't think Roman soldiers lived on Wein&Käse alone. Now look at this picture. Meat on the grill. Der Schinken, ham, also masculine. It comes from an old word meaning leg, and body parts in German are often masculine. And now, fast forward to today. The fire is gone, the armor is gone, but the idea is still here. People sitting together, sharing food, sharing wine, laughing, talking, enjoying the moment. Maybe the plates look different now, maybe the music changed. But evenings like this, they've been with us for thousands of years. And tonight, we are part of that story.